A woman ate an apple on a train and threw the seed onto the dry ground near the tracks. That night, rain softened the soil, and after a few days, a tiny apple sprout appeared, but the strong sun dried the plant and its leaves fell off. A kind zebra saw the weak sprout and brought water to it every day. Slowly, the plant grew into a tall apple tree full of shiny red fruits. Animals gathered under its cool shade and lived happily. Then one day, a man came with a JCB machine and uprooted the tree. The zebra cried because no one liked and subscribed.